What's up, guys? Caitlin Reiner here. Thanks for tuning in to my video. I just wanted to make a quick training video to help some of my teammates with what they should do next after you have registered and you have leveled up successfully. So once you have completed that, I recommend that you join the Level Rewards Newbies group and the Level Rewards Proof Pick group, as well as my personal live support chat. Once you are in the groups that you need to be in, and I will also probably send you this also, but you will find the training link here. And I just wanted to kind of go over the training link and kind of talk a little bit about it. Nothing too much. Let's see here. Start here. Once you're on the Level Rewards training link, I really recommend that you go through the entire training course because there's a lot of useful information here that you'll need to know about Level Rewards and how you can make money with it, and simple questions like when do you get paid, and does Level Rewards withhold taxes? Can I earn a full-time income? Stuff like that. Yes, you can earn a full-time income with Level Rewards. And no, we do not, no, they do not withhold taxes. As affiliates of Level Rewards, we are responsible as considered independent contractors, and we are responsible for paying any federal, state, or local income taxes. So once you reach $600 or more, then you are required to start paying your taxes, or however that you would like to do that. Let's see here. And also in the training center here, you'll find basic marketing skills, social media marketing, text and image ads, sample email scripts. You'll also learn about following up with your leads and your and also how to convert your leads into signups. Also, it just tells a little bit about the process, which you already know about that because you've already done it. Will I have to spend any money to participate? No, there's no monthly fees with Level Rewards at all. The only fees that there may ever be is if you decide to complete an offer or a deal to level up, but that is not necessarily required. You can level up and start for free, so don't worry about that part. Also, I needed to make it clear that you must be 18 or older to participate. You must reside in the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, or Australia. And as far as can I sign up friends or family, yes, you can sign up your friends or family, but they cannot live with you and they cannot share your same internet connection. So if you sign up and get started and everything, and then you decide to sign up your friends or family, but they live with you, and Level Rewards a notice that you have the same IP address, they will put both accounts on hold until it is resolved. So just be aware of that. There's also several scripts in here that you can use for advertising in your Facebook groups, Instagram, YouTube, Craigslist, stuff like that, whatever you wish to do. And it's also talking about referral links, landing pages, your current status, selected prize, which would be your money, and also your referral list. It also explains how to order your payments. Also, I wanted to make it known that there are no prepaid cards allowed with Level Rewards. If you are caught using a Green Dot card or NetSpend or any prepaid card and you go to complete a deal with it, you risk the chance of your credit being revoked or it not crediting at all. So just be aware of that. Also, we are required to use or try at least 75% of the offers that we choose to do. Let's see here. No spamming, stuff like that. Let's see here. Thanks for taking the time to go over our program's rules. If by any means our rules change, affiliates will be notified. Okay. There's that. I wanted to also do a quick copy and paste ad for you guys just to kind of show you how to do it. And this is all of your like shortcuts, I guess you would say. Let's see. Here we go. And then there's also follow-up text templates, which following up is very, very important. If you have a lead that is interested in level rewards, and you have sent them the information, but they have not responded to you or have not said anything back, I always recommend within 24 to 48 hours sending them a follow-up message, just asking them, if they had a chance to look over the information and if they had any questions, stuff like that. Let's see here. I'm going to just pick one of these ads to use for my sample. Let's see here. Here we go. No boss, no drama, no experience needed, free training provided with no investment. All right, that seems like a pretty good one, right? All right, so I just copied that. And if you don't know how to copy, let me show you really quick. All you do is take your finger and hold it down. If you're on a phone, if you're on a laptop, just click the button and hold it down and highlight it. Then click your side button and copy it. Okay, now I'm going to go back to my my Facebook, and now I'm just going to go into one of my work from home groups that I'm in. Here's one I'm in. See, this has a lot of members in this group, so a lot of people will see my ad throughout the day, and they'll contact me, and I'll help them get signed up. So here we go. I'm just going to do a quick. All right, see, I've done a right click on that, and then I'm going to paste it. I'm also going to add something to this comment. What is here? I'm going to say comment below or direct message me for more info. Okay. All right, and then I just post it. That's it. And I recommend, try to be consistent with it. Like for example, for myself, every morning, whenever I get up and after I make my coffee and I turn on my computer and everything, I kind of go ahead and start following up from my leads from the past few days. And then I also will find a couple of good ads that catch the eye that I like. And I'll go in and just copy and paste my ads into these work from home groups throughout the day. I recommend being in at least 20 or more groups. That way you can kind of rotate and get more exposure that way. So there's a sample of how to copy and paste an ad. And then when someone contacts you through Facebook and wants to know information, you can send them your information script that I have provided for you. And also, if you need any other help or support, please feel free to message me or to leave a message in the live support chat. And I hope that this has somehow added some kind of value, or maybe you've learned a little something. I'm going to be making these quick 10-minute videos every day to kind of help my team and to teach you how to do everything and how to start making money. So, thank you guys, and I hope you have a great Tuesday.